chosen to be Students of the Week. And they are Royce and Athena. Congratulations! Can you guys stand up for me? I have to do like a little quick interview with you outside. Is that okay? Alrighty. So do you guys play any sports?
Yeah, I play volleyball.
Oh, that's really cool. Learn about Africa. So, Africa is located right there on the globe. Yes, Gracie?
Where's the capital of Africa at?
Oh, I'll show you.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, right there.
Oh,
I love passing notes in class.
Same with me.
Woo!
That's not what you're supposed to do. No passing notes in class. This is what you're supposed to.
All right, any questions on Africa? Yes, Gracie?
What's the capital of Africa?
Oh, I'll show you.
No, we shouldn't pass notes in class.
It's not really that smart.
No, it's really not, because you can get caught. And we can just talk at recess and lunch.
Yeah! Good job, girls. That's the right thing to do.
The saint of the day is St. Nicholas Owen. St. Nicholas Owen was born in Oxford, United Kingdom. He was born in a time where Catholics were killed if they were caught worshiping their Lord. St. Nicholas helped priests and other Catholics hide in secret places to worship. He would use spaces between walls, passageways, and other places of safety. He also built hiding places using his architectural skills. In 1594, he was finally caught. He was sent to prison where he was tortured until he gave the names of priests and other Catholics. Despite the horrible treatment, St. Nicholas never said the names and died in 1606. St. Nicholas Owen showed bravery and loyalty to our Lord through torture and suffering. We can learn from him to not be afraid to express our faith and to believe and trust in God no matter what.